do have our reps in the area that actually are pretty involved, and they help us out with not just the switch gear itself, but they're involved in our meetings. They're involved in our sales coordination.
What they have in place and methods and procedures to get stuff done in a timely manner, it looks like they have a very efficient setup in the back.
Because you have things in stock and willing to make them at my request.
Personal connection. I will say this over and over again, but personal connection. You're able to pick up the phone and get in touch with somebody, right? You know the people here that are going to pick up and actually care.
Other manufacturers have just stumbled more than we have. We've adjusted, I think, a little better, and the satellite does a great job for us.
They continuously are helping out our outside salesmen. They'll make sales calls with us, with customers. They'll visit job sites.
Well, having a location here in Dallas, here on sites, and having all the different equipment y'all have got available, we've had problems in the past with a breaker going out or a bus bar getting damaged, and y'all been able to come out right away on site that day and help us out immediately.
The level of service, the level of communication, and also their expertise, their technical expertise has really helped us be successful with several customers.
You name it. That's what Eaton has done for us.